I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
This is our current, simple graywater hack. The purpose of this outlet outside the house is to provide access to unclog the sewer pipe when the pipe is blocked. When we bought the house, the realtor did not mention it, but I discovered it myself later, and I published the first graywater system video more than 7 years ago. Now I will show you some improvements since then. Cut a milk jug like this and use caulking to seal the jug and the pipe. The purpose is to prevent the wall getting wet, since some water may drip down. We have a few old flappers from the time when we converted our toilet tank into a dual flush system. You may use other materials or watch our previous video for other free ideas. Poke a hole in the center of the flapper and run a wire clothes hanger through it. Use pliers to bend the wire a few loops so that you won't lose the flapper in the pipe. I also bent a few loops on the other side so that it could help to move the flapper forward. The flapper is a little big, so I cut it smaller with scissors. To plug the pipe with the flapper, I use a stick to push the flapper past the T-joint. For us, this is 10 inches deep, about the thickness of the wall. Use the stick to push the flapper evenly so that the flapper fits and water can be diverted to the outlet. To test, pour in some water. The seal was not good, so it leaked right away. I used a stick to adjust the flapper again to make sure it would not leak. Pour in water again. See, this time it does not leak. If you will be using a large amount of soap or something else that you don't want to get mixed in with your gray water, you can simply remove the flapper by pulling the coat hanger wire. This will return the system to the original state. So it is quite convenient to move the flapper in or out, as if we have a water switch.
In, out, in, out.
We direct the water into a bucket. We can also direct the water to 2 buckets. If you have not watched my first video, here is an explanation of why this setup works. There is a vertical sewer pipe inside this wall. Kitchen water will go down through this pipe and reach a T-joint connecting to a horizontal pipe so that water can flow horizontally to the city main sewer. The other end of the T-joint is this outlet, so that homeowners can unclog any blockage. Usually the water would flow this way, but if you have a flapper blocking the location past the T-joint, then the water would flow the opposite way, out to your bucket, your garden, or whatever other place you direct it.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.